Abacus magic in my hands, moving beats with flying plans, counting dreams from far and wide. Numbers dance with endless pride. Wooden frame, ancient lore, history's math on my floor. Slant beats from left to right, wisdom shines in candlelight. One step at a time we go, adding life through ebb and flow. Beats of knowledge in a row, secrets that the numbers show. Digits whisper soft and clear, guiding us as we draw near. Abacus in hand, my dear, future paths will soon appear. Mathematic hands of skill, turning time with quiet thrill. From the past to future bright, Abacus our guiding light. Counting steps from dawn to dusk, wooden frame with no rust. In the beats our answers trust, solving mysteries is a must. One step at a time we go, adding life through ebb and flow. Beats of knowledge in a row, secrets that the numbers show. Digits whisper soft and clear, guiding us as we draw near. Abacus in hand, my dear, future paths will soon appear. Ancient tool in modern hands, we connect through far-off lands. Simple touch with complex means, counting more than just our dreams. Slanted beats with thoughts align, ancient wisdom intertwine. Abacus stands the test of time, guiding hearts with rhythmic rhyme. One step at a time we go,